Welcome to 32 Johnson Street, Redcliffe, a spacious family home designed for comfortable living, practical functionality and effortless entertaining. Lovingly owner-occupied for more than 15 years, this beautifully maintained residence is now ready for its next chapter, offering an outstanding opportunity for a growing family to create lasting memories. Step inside and discover a thoughtfully designed floor plan featuring 4 generous bedrooms, 2 bathrooms and a separate powder room. The private master suite is a true retreat, complete with a walk-in robe, ensuite and luxurious spa bath with a separate shower. At the front of the home, a separate lounge or theater room provides the perfect place to relax, while the heart of the home opens into a spacious family and dining area. High coffered ceilings and quality tiled flooring create an inviting sense of space, with a well-appointed kitchen overlooking it all. Featuring 900mm gas cooking, a fan-forced oven, dishwasher and plenty of bench space, it's designed for everyday family living. Wide sliding doors lead seamlessly to the alfresco, creating the ideal setting for weekend barbecues, family gatherings or simply unwinding outdoors. The corner 374 square meter block is beautifully landscaped with easy care gardens, extensive paving and reticulated lawns, giving you more time to enjoy your home. Comfort is assured year-round with ducted air conditioning, gas heating, instantaneous gas hot water and a security alarm system. The oversized double garage also offers additional storage and convenient internal access. Location is another standout. You're just minutes from parks, schools, local shopping, Perth Airport and excellent public transport, including the Airport Line train connecting you to the Perth CBD. With Costco, DFO Perth and Optus Stadium all close by, Redcliffe has quickly become one of Perth's most convenient lifestyle destinations. If you've been searching for a spacious family home in an unbeatable location, 32 Johnson Street is one you won't want to miss. We look forward to welcoming you at our next home open.